my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I'm back to the gym and every morning I need to eat or drink something. I'm hungry. Smoothies are a healthy choice. They're super fast to make and loaded with vitamins and nutrients. There are many recipes on the website and here's my latest one. Hawaiian Smoothie. With exotic ingredients such as mango, pineapple, banana, and coconut, this is a yummy start to the day. So let's get mixing. In the jar of a blender, we'll pour in milk, but almond milk is another delicious option. Some vanilla yogurt. I always use Activia. I love it. Then diced mangoes, fresh or frozen, followed by pineapple, then a large banana, and finally, coconut flakes. Sweetened is what I prefer using for this application. Of course, we'll put the lid on and process until the mixture is smooth and very well blended. We'll taste and adjust if needed. You might want to add some sweetness, and if so, add a little bit of agave nectar. Mine was perfect just the way it was. And my friends, this is our Hawaiian Smoothie. Packed with deliciousness, this refreshing beverage is perfect to enjoy anytime. It's quick and easy to make, plus so healthy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!